You guys, what's up, you guys? You already know who it is. It's Superior Shelby, and today we're going to go over 2021 okay, Audi Q8. We're going to go over all of the super cool features of this cool truck and more. Okay, so let's check it out. Alright, you guys, so to go over this super cool truck, okay, this SUV is really good, okay, top of the line quality. Okay, this is an Audi 2021. I like the new features on this Audi. I like what they did with their new body style. I like how meaner the grille looks, and obviously with Audis, everybody likes like the infinity rings, right? Everybody likes the Olympic looking rings, so they had to keep that looking at the front of that grille. Obviously we have the nice white here. White cars are always, white SUVs, white vehicles always look so super clean. You can never go wrong with a white vehicle, right? So looks good, and you already know the owner got some Forgiatos. We love us some good Forgis, right? So he got the Forgiatos. I forgot exactly what name of these were, but he got these, and he actually did like black on the inside, like for the lip and like for the back too. Everything looks really good. It just kind of like complements each other. Obviously his brake caliber is red, so that red, black, and white feel always looks good in it. You know, it matched my ones, okay? Okay, maybe I should drive this SUV today, right? Maybe we should drive it today. Come on. Around the block in a brand new 2021 cool stuff. I like these new hits because I mean they all have all these super new cool features. It has the double screen here, and I love the double screen. This is one of the features that I like in all new SUVs. I've also stated that in the Range Rover Velar is something I really like. I like all this new high-tech stuff, right? And then with this SUV, you have like your dashboard, so everything that's on the dash, you can actually see it on the road, so that's super cool as far as in like with the speed limit and stuff. And it actually shows you what the local limit is too, so that's speed limit, so in your area. Gives you a map and everything. It looks super good. Like, this is luxury, okay? This is what luxury is supposed to feel like. And I like this, okay? And besides even like it being a luxury SUV, you can always put it in sport, which is super easy. I believe you just push in and you just hit it. And it sounds good and it feels good too. Okay, so this is a super cool car, you guys. Super cool SUV that I think that I might want to buy. I might want to go ahead on and put down a big payment. Super nice and super smooth. Shout out to him. Now let's get right to the car review before I fall in love with this car. Ah! All right, you guys, so obviously with super cool features with SUVs and brand new SUVs, the trunks open up by themselves just with one touch of a button, okay? And we have some super cool control buttons for the actual trunk, so the door like goes up and down, and at a certain level too, so that's super cool. And he has like 215s on here, so that's super dope. He has a lot of music back here, and I just talked to him and he has like a exotic rental company, so that's super cool. I wonder if he's renting this out with the speakers. That'd be funny, right? But yeah, so this is cool, and obviously my favorite part, just with a touch of a button and it's all over. Yes, I love this truck. You guys let me know what you think about this truck, because I've enjoyed driving it, okay? Yes. So you guys, I've had a really great time, okay, with this 2021 Q8 Audi. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And comment down below how you feel about this truck, because I really like it, okay? I think it's a hit, all right? And if you want to see any more pictures of this SUV or any other truck, car, nation in the land, you know where to visit. aswiss.net, that's aswiss.net, don't you ever forget it. And until next time, you know I'm Superior Shelby, checking out all the hits, okay? And I will check you guys' hits out next time. Peace.